Foundation repairs and sewer line fixes often go hand in hand, so if you're dealing with one, you might want to keep an eye on the other too. Okay, so here's the deal with handling foundation and sewer line repairs without getting totally overwhelmed or ripped off. First up, don't just trust the warranty hype. Some companies say it's lifetime, but then hit you with 30 to 50% of the regular price when you actually need help. Always ask up front about what that warranty really covers and how much you'll pay for service calls. Next, watch out for contractors who just throw down a bunch of soil or fresh grass to cover up the mess instead of doing a proper job. That's just a quick fix, not a real pro move. Also, if the house suddenly has a brand new paint job over cracks, that's a red flag they're trying to hide bigger problems. When checking out sewer line repairs, make sure they do a thorough inspection and don't just patch the obvious spots. It's smart to get multiple quotes so you know what's fair pricing, because these repairs can get pricey fast. Don't forget to ask about their experience with local soil conditions, because that really affects how long the repair lasts. Finally, keep records of all work done so you have proof if something goes wrong later. One of the biggest mistakes people make with foundation repairs includes trusting companies that oversell lifetime warranties but still charge high fees for warranty work. Always clarify terms before signing. Another issue is ignoring sewer line problems until they cause major damage. Early inspections can save you thousands in repairs. Lastly, homeowners often fall for quick cosmetic fixes like fresh paint or new grass that hide deeper issues instead of demanding quality repairs. Make sure your contractor addresses the root cause, not just the symptoms. BigHomeProjects.com makes finding trusted local contractors way easier for homeowners by showing verified reviews and detailed profiles so you don't have to stress about who to trust. Plus, it helps contractors connect with people looking for their services, making it a win-win for everyone involved.